Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today I'm excited to introduce what I believe is the best stud finder wall scanner deep sensor on the market. If you've ever tried to mount something heavy on a wall, or worried about drilling into live wires or metal pipes hidden behind drywall, this is a tool you'll want to see in action. Right out of the box, this wall scanner feels solid in your hand. The design is compact, the display is clear, and it has the kind of build quality you expect when you're about to trust a device to guide where you drill. The main reason I put it at the top of the class is its multi-mode capability. It doesn't just detect wood studs, it identifies metal work, live AC wiring, and gives you both edge and center detection of studs. That kind of versatility means whether you're installing cabinets, mounting a TV, or hanging anything heavy, the chances of a surprise behind the wall drop significantly. Let's walk through how it works. First, you place the scanner flat against the wall and press the calibration button. Once it beeps and the bars disappear, you're ready. Then you slide the device slowly across the wall. You'll see the LCD display fill up, and you'll hear an audible alarm when you've located the center of a stud. Once that's identified, you can switch to the metal scan mode to check whether the detected object is a metal stud or pipe. And throughout the process, the live wire warning sensor is active to alert you if there are unshielded electrical wires behind the surface. That's the kind of safety layering you really appreciate when you're drilling holes near outlets or in older walls. One of the standout specs is its depth sensing. With the deep scan mode, you can detect through thicker drywall or even dual paneling, up to roughly 1.5 inches, about 38 millimeters, for studs, and further for metal detection. That means this isn't just for basic walls, it handles challenging wall surfaces too. It's also a big plus in places with textured plaster or layered walling where cheaper units give erratic outputs. From a user perspective, there are a few practical tips. Make sure the battery is fresh, older or weak batteries reduce accuracy. Move the scanner at a consistent speed. Pause when the display indicates the center so you can mark it accurately. Once you've marked the center, switch into the metal mode to confirm the composition, wood stud, metal stud, or pipe, to avoid surprises. And always respect the live wire warnings. While it won't detect every shielded wire, it gives you a much higher level of confidence than blind drilling. In real-world testing, I used it to mount a floating shelf under a plaster wall that had multiple layers and unknown wiring behind it. The scanner accurately located the stud, warned of a live line roughly 2 inches behind the sheet, and then when I drilled, the anchor went straight into the center of the joist. No guesswork, no extra holes. That kind of reliability is why I believe it's the best choice for anyone serious about wall mounting tasks. So if you're tackling wall mounting projects, renovating a room, or simply want more confidence before you drill, this best stud finder wall scanner deep sensor is a tool I wholeheartedly recommend. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest reviews of tools that get the job done right. Until next time, work smart and stay safe.